17 or 18, I noticed my hairline was receding. I came here because I saw his website. The technology here, guys, is so much more advanced. And I'm telling you, this is the most effective procedure I've ever done. You look in the mirror and your attitude changes. I'm more confident at work. I'm better in social life, meeting people. Beyond their friendly attitude, I consider it almost like a family here. With other procedures, I've spent 3 to 4 times more than what I've spent in one procedure here. I love you, man. Seriously, you changed my life.
I got introduced to the Bolton group through a friend of mine. The day just went really smooth. Now I feel more confident in my profession. People are charging very big dollars, getting half the result of what I got in one procedure. Everybody is they're total professionals. Dr. Bolton is great. As far as I'm concerned, he's the best at in this craft. The suture scar, you can't even find it in my hair. Not because I got a lot of hair, it's just because he is that good. I thank each and every one of you, and especially you, Dr. Bolton. You are a gift from God, that's what I can say.
As far as I could tell, the research that I did was the best in the area. We were just talking the whole time. I didn't even actually read much of anything. It's awesome. It's like I got my hair back. I feel so much better. I feel so much younger. I feel great, you know. I feel great about my hair. Like the first time I've been the hat guy. I would recommend Dr. Bolton. The staff and everybody was very competent. He exceeded my expectations as far as what I thought I was going to get out of it. Thanks, Dr. Bolton. Appreciate it. Cheers.
My neighbor had his hair done, and I just couldn't believe it. And I said, wow, this is something I would be interested in. It was really a great experience. Very relaxing, not a lot of pain. My complexion looked better, I felt better. You look in the mirror and you just can't believe it. Some people have noticed, they'll say something different about you, you look different, you'll look younger. The investment is well worth it for anybody, 150%. Dr. Bolton, thank you for making me feel like I'm 50 years old when I'm 70. I'm very happy, and it was a wonderful experience, and the end result was a terrific feeling for me.
I was 20 years old when I first started noticing hair loss. My hair loss made me less confident, so it was harder to go out in public. I wanted to do the procedure because I wanted to regain confidence. It just made me more confident, higher self-esteem. I feel like I need more hair in the future. I'll definitely do it again. But Dr. Bolton actually improved the other scar that I had. I totally recommend it. I enjoyed my experience, and I don't think it could go much better than it did. I'd say thank you. The results speak for themselves.